What if I told you, you already have everything you need to succeed? But 90% of people waste it every single day. Yes, I'm talking about time. The hours you spend scrolling, delaying, or overthinking, that's your life slipping away. In this video, I'm going to show you a practical, step-by-step system to take control of your time. Finish more tasks, and actually win every day. No fluff, no magic pills, just a plan you can follow starting today. Why time management matters. Visual examples of two people, one productive, one distracted. Imagine two people. Both wake up at 6 a.m. Both sleep at 11 p.m. but at the end of the month, one has achieved goals, learned new skills, earned money, and grown as a person. The other? Barely caught up, stressed, and feeling guilty. The difference isn't luck or talent. It's time management. How you use your 24 hours determines your results. The same 24 hours can make you either a winner or someone who constantly says, "I'll do it tomorrow." Keep in mind, every minute you waste is a minute you'll never get back. Before we plan, let's understand why most people fail at managing time. Not prioritizing, doing what's urgent, ignoring what's important. Multitasking, thinking it's efficient, but it reduces focus and quality. No clear goals without a destination, any road seems fine. Distractions, phone, social media, notifications, constant interruptions. Underestimating time, thinking a task will take 30 minutes but it takes 2 hours. Recognize any of these in your daily life? Don't worry, we are fixing all of them step by step. Step 1. Define your priorities. The first rule of time management is knowing what truly matters. Use the Eisenhower matrix. Urgent and important, do it now. Important, not urgent, schedule it. Urgent, not important, delegate if possible. Neither, drop it. Mini exercise, take 10 minutes now and write down your tasks for tomorrow in this matrix. You'll instantly see what's wasting your time. Step 2. Plan your day. Most people think, "I'll figure it out as I go." That's a recipe for wasted hours. Start the night before. Write 3 main tasks you must finish. Time block your day. Assign 60 to 90 min blocks for focused work. Include breaks, 5 to 10 min every hour for energy. Tonight, write your 3 main tasks for tomorrow. Block them on your calendar. See how much control you feel. Step 3. Use the 2-minute rule. The 2-minute rule, inspired by David Allen. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Small tasks pile up, steal focus, and create stress. Sending a quick email, replying to a message, or putting away dishes. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. It's amazing how these tiny wins build momentum. Step 4. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking feels productive but actually lowers efficiency by 40–60%. Do deep work in focused blocks. Turn off notifications, close unrelated tabs, and give your brain full attention to one thing. Pick one task now. Timer 25 minutes. No phone. No distractions. Complete it fully. Feel the difference. Step 5. Learn to say no. Every yes to a distraction or unnecessary task is a no to your important work. Be polite but firm. Protect your time like gold. Your future self will thank you. Common obstacles and how to overcome is how you deal with them. Procrastination, start with the smallest step. Distractions, phone on airplane mode. Overwhelm, break big tasks into micro tasks. Remember, consistency beats intensity. Conclusion. Time is the one resource you can never get back. Master it, and you master your life. Apply these 5 steps daily, reflect, and adjust. Win every day isn't just a slogan, it's a lifestyle. If you want more practical strategies to win every day, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below which step you are starting with tomorrow. Let's do this together.